would have been smarter to do half of this actual position, so ideally like 0.25 R.
Bro, so is he taking the trades or is he not taking the trades? To get y'all to click and get y'all for entertainment, for you guys to see this shit. But this is not something you want to do or like be influenced. And young people watch him too. Yeah, what's good this year, bro? Hello, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy trading video. As you guys can see, man, we were wrong today. We took a L. We took a 129. Actually, for TFT, we took a $400 loss, and then for what is it? The price action account, we took a 120. Let me go to it. $129.12. Cause that 12 cents is not a loss, right? Man, I'm not gonna lie, bro. It was a very solid day on being able to take that L. Very solid. Let's start off with dollar, right? So what I was looking at with dollar was not shit because the shit was straight consolidation. What does that mean for me, right? Not really. I don't really care too much about GU, EU. I think GU could at least come back to this inefficiency right here and then maybe go higher. That's what I was thinking of, but we ran out the previous weekly high, so it's not really much of a point for me to really trade inside of this range from this high to low. I really didn't like that range, trading inside of this range as well with EU, right? But with ES, right, looking at ES, it's also a range with ES too, right? It's really rangy. It's an NFP week, you know what I'm saying? I took a really big dub Monday, and today is you know what I'm saying? What can I tell you? It's NFP week. You got to be able to, like, kind of, like, chill a little bit on NFP weeks because you guys noticed my last NFP weeks that I was trading, bro. I was getting fucking ripped in fucking half, bro. Like, look at it. You know what I mean? Let me show you. Look, NFP week right here. Got ripped in half the first 2 days. So, this might be the end of my week. I might come tomorrow, Wednesday, to maybe take a trade. See what's up with Wednesday. Maybe take a position, but I don't know. It depends. If the setup's there, if my rules are in line, everything is there, then I'll take a trade, right? But for ES, we are in a range. We didn't run out the previous daily high, but we did run out previous weekly high again. We were just constantly running into this previous weekly high. You do have this weekly volume imbalance that price could come up into and possibly come into and maybe stop there, maybe run lower from there. I don't know. I don't fucking know, bro. But today, right, YM have ran out previous weekly high, previous daily high. In Q, I was waiting for that jobs opening and other high impact news around 10 o'clock. Right, you can see that in Q also ran out the previous daily high. With Asia, previous weekly high, we're running above previous weekly high and shit. So that's just like a buy side liquidity pool for me, right? Since NQ did not run out Asia high, YM did. I kind of like YM's price action more, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly the trade that I took for YM with YM. We get right into that. All right, so here we go. So basically, we ran out the previous weekly high, previous daily high, all of that. We had a buy stop run, breaker market structure, breaker, FEG, all in here, right? So yeah, I put in a sell limit for my TFT account, but the whole time it didn't tag in the sell limit. As you can see, you guys will see it kind of rejected it, so I had to figure that shit out. But yeah, I put my sell limit right at this FEG up close candle. I feel like this back and forth was balanced. This should hold. This range should hold. Balanced price range, right? All in here, right? I'm thinking all this should hold. It shouldn't really come any lower after come any higher once I get my entry. I think it should straight go for this sell side liquidity pool, right? So I'm only risking $124. You guys can't see it. Hold on, let me show you guys. Right, so I'm only risking $125. You guys didn't see it. So right here, look, $124 just to make $250, right? So yeah, I was thinking it was very, very high probable for it to start coming towards back down to this low. So you see, I entered with a 0.6 on my TFT account. I didn't enter full because I couldn't get the right position size that I was looking for US30. I was correct. It was 0.69 or 0.50. I had to put in, but they said something about my leverage being too high. You feel me? Hold on. Bro, hold on, bro. Let me show y'all this shit, bro. I had to pause because, like, look, bro, it's nigga, my shit is flooded, nigga. Noah's Ark. It's Noah's Ark out here, like, damn, like it's Noah's Ark, bro. Niggas can't even record, can't even record the trade. I can't even like, bro. Noah's Ark out there, bro. Now I gotta jump out there like I'm fucking Tarzan and try to get all that water up out of there. So we gonna come back to the trade. Huh?
What hole?
Yeah, I don't know. I'm about to. It's a stick though. Here, I got it right here. Here, record me. Let me show them Tarzan. This is what real traders gotta do, bruh.
I'm so.
You gotta go. Yeah. Hold on, man. Let me show y'all this shit, bruh.
You can't flip it.
Let me show y'all this shit, bruh. Nah, you can't flip it. I ain't about to take off my drawers. That's kind of crazy.
Babe, what are you doing? And you're not even recording.
Yes,
are you recording?
Yes, I am. I'm recording it. Look, fuck a trade. Fuck the trade. You know what I'm saying? We going outside.
Wait,
I gotta.
Is it the green thing?
I don't even know. This shit about to be cold as hell though.
Wait, roll up your pants more. You don't got Crocs?
Huh?
You don't have Crocs?
But I don't have what?
You have Crocs?
Hell no. I'm about to go out here barefoot.
And this
Rain
ball.
wearing it all.
Oh my god. I wish I got a towel.
It's cold! Look! Little stupid ass. That was cold as shit. Ew.
That's what he gotta do.
That's how you get up and down, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my god, it sounds crazy. Babe, why you look like them Asian people on TikTok?
Right. Oh god, be building houses and shit. Think this shit Minecraft in real
They
life.
gotta loop their clips and shit and go on TikTok live. give me a galaxy.
It's cold as shit. It's cold as shit. Alright, I did my job. Back to trading, bro. Alright, we back at it, bro. God damn. Alright, it's the trade. Alright, yeah, what's going on with this? Alright, so yeah, basically, bro, this shit inverted this whole FEG. It got weird. I was hoping like maybe it could hold this range and continue lower. I did get my second entry in on the TFT account, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? Get that out the way. Yeah, so you guys can see how this shit going. Shit's not looking too good. Yeah, it's just over with. Just gotta take the L, bruh. Take the L. You know what I'm saying? Like, taking a little $300 loss on the TFT account, that's cool. And this loss is cool too. Like, I'm not even tripping on it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I was wrong. Right? It didn't go to where I thought it was gonna go. But hey, God damn, what the fuck is going, bro? But hey, man, it is what it is, right? Like, you're gonna take losses, you're gonna lose, right? It's part of the game. But you guys can see. Let's see the P&L curve though. But don't worry about it, cause you know what I'm saying. The P&L curve is like that. You know what I'm saying? It's like that. What can I tell you? But yeah, good month, good way to end the month. Even if tomorrow we take an L tomorrow, if we do take a trade tomorrow, we end the month off on very, very, very like a very, very good month, bro. And that's all that fucking matters. You know what I'm saying? So let's go in and get into some reaction videos, bro. Bro, I had to change out my clothes, bro. Everything that got wet, bro. Pause. But yeah, I had seen this. This is a good video with J-Cap. Let's see if Diego dropped a video today. No Diego. All right, so we reacted to the man himself, Mr. TJR. Live day trading, losing 53. God damn, 53,000. God damn, TJR, you over here looking like a little ass kid up to no good. Fuck going on?
All right, guys, we are going to go ahead and get started. The market is going to open in around 2 minutes. This is my first time back trading.
No wonder why you lost.
Because I was in Coachella, and then I went from Coachella to flying to Dubai, and that pretty much encapsulated a full week, believe it or not, of not being able to trade. Because on Monday I was traveling from Coachella, and then on Tuesday I was traveling from LA to Dubai, and then by the time I landed in Dubai, it was Wednesday, and the market open had already passed. And then Thursday was the only day that I had left to trade from that week because Friday was Good Friday, and I got the time zones mixed up, and I thought it was that Thursday in Dubai.
Okay, come on, TJR.
Screw this. I deserve to be able to go on a vacation with my friends and to be able to enjoy myself. I'm going to do that. But
of course.
Now it's time to get back into the swing of things. And today, for me, there's a couple things that I want to look at. So first and foremost, we are already making a SMT divergence off of these London session lows, and that's already feeding into my higher time frame bias. We came down and we took out some of these lows right here. We pretty much took out the majority of this low resistance liquidity. I wouldn't be too opposed if we wanted to come down and take out this low as well. But pre-market opened, we took out London session lows on NASDAQ. On the S&P 500, market just opened. On the S&P 500, we didn't take out these London session lows. Again, we took out the majority of this low resistance liquidity except for this low right here. And then in terms of main overall targets, we have relative equal highs with session highs today.
Wait, was this all today? I'm not tripping.
Right here. And that seems to me to be the main and easiest draw. A lot of people were asking in the comments what these little red and blue lines are. It's just my I just put on these session high and low indicators so I don't have to mark them out myself. I know I just marked them out there, but it just auto marks out Asian session high, London session high, Asian session two tensions.
I want to see what trade you took. Oh, he was live day trader
too. I'd like
too.
To say we go higher.
I'm looking for it to go higher.
Personally, right now it's not looking the best for longs, especially if we invalidate this gap, which we are. We just invalidated the gap as well on ES. We're in this order block now on the 5 minute. Order cock.
Huh, order cock.
You should press buy. We just entered into an order cock. Bang. Going to delete that shit now because I don't want it on my screen. I can already visualize it. I already have Bluetooth memory. Okay, give me 2 seconds while I go grab this coffee.
Nah, give me 2 seconds. I'm skipping to that time. 10 seconds. That's 10, 15, 20, 25. 30, 35. See, hey, TJR be moving on black people time. This ass said, give me 5 seconds. It's been 40. 45. 45. 50. You know what, bro? TJR can't keep his word, bro. He can't keep his word. This nigga still ain't back. Bro, damn. Bro went to go take a fat ass dookie.
Bro, look at this. He put his balls in a bag, bro.
You definitely taking both of them in your mouth, gargling both of them, TJR. Don't lie to the crowd. Don't lie to the, yeah.
Oh my God.
Like, look how he looking at him. Like, he about to straight gargle these motherfuckers in his throat. Like I'm gargling this cinnamon toast Cinnamon rolls in my mouth. Now I'm sniffing. Yeah. TJR, you got it, bro. Hold on.
If we rotate to the top side, let's also see if we make a S&T ski. This is on 50.
He probably ain't take a trade to all the way over here. We about to go all the way over here. There we go.
Low. 2 big candlestick closures to the upside. The 10 a.m. candle hasn't even, the 9 a.m. candle hasn't closed yet. The 10 a.m. candle hasn't opened yet. So we're probably due for like still a tiny bit of manipulation left. Yeah, so on NASDAQ, since we already took out these lows, then this would technically be the first draw on liquidity. On ES, it's a lot smoother because we have low and then untapped low and then boom, another low right here. So it's just like all of this is low resistance liquidity, and we can low-key just say like, hey, we're not even trying to target this low. We're not trying to target this low. We might as well just target this low because all of these lows theoretically need to be taken out. Versus on NASDAQ, it's a little bit different. We already took out this low. We have this one. And then it's like, okay, we might react off this and without needing to push down to this one. But on ES, it's very fucking clear that we're going to want to come down and take out this low. Okay?
Yeah, that's what order flow looked like all these up close candles getting held. Right in here. Breaker.
There we go. We're getting some legs down. Let's see if NASDAQ follows suit. So, again, ES, hypothetical entry, even though we took it on Thrax Pack, would have been like right here. Hit our stops above these highs right here. And then first target, even though it's not the best risk reward, would be right here. And then we could go ahead and just target the rest of this low resistance liquidity down here.
Yo, he being optimistic as fuck. God damn.
Even though there's this big ass gap right here. Yeah, we would have to just see what price we'd want to do off that one.
So what, he take the sell? Did he take the sell? Am I tripping?
Yeah, I would like to bet a decent amount of bread.
Wait.
That is. And again, duty will have.
So does this mean this nigga took the sell or not? That he got the position tool up?
Hit our stops above these highs right here.
Yeah, so he took it.
And then first go.
Okay, so he took it.
But I mean, that means our bearish order flow is protected. But again, I could be just completely fucking wrong about today.
Okay, so yeah, he is in the sell. Okay.
Okay, yes.
ES looked like it was the
We
better
got
sell.
1 minute until the 10 a.m. candle opens.
If it did sell off,
and those inflation news reports come out, that'll probably be relatively heavy duty. We'll have to just see and honestly hope that the wicks aren't too large to the point where it would want to come back up and grab these highs.
Yeah, it's not much fair value inside of this swing, so I don't think this was the most quality of a setup, and then it's running back into this down close candle order block. It might not be relatively lows there. I don't know. ES looked like it was the better sell though. It's about to be 10 o'clock too.
Okay, news drops in 4 seconds.
And there's news.
Let's see.
Wait, was this today?
Ooh.
I'm tripping. Nah, this is
And
4
there
days
we
ago.
go. Stopped out.
Damn.
That wick was a dangerous one.
That's tough. That's tough.
Dangerous wicks. ES trade position is still alive. Even though the trade that I hypothetically took wasn't on ES, it was on NASDAQ. The ES trade would have been stopped out by now. I still have this.
So how much, so how much did he lose on this? Like, I want to know specifically how much he lost on this trade. Was it the full 53,000? Like, what was it?
We'll have to see how this rotation goes.
Yo, he got in low as hell though. Buy stop rate was here. He got in right here. Like he trying to buy a breakout or some shit. I mean, not buy a breakout, but sell a breakout.
I'm glad that we got that shit out our system though. And again, I don't.
And then he entered here with a stop above here. Like he could have got it way better.
Give a shit because I didn't lose money, didn't make money, and I didn't place a trade. It's just good to get back into the rhythm of things for real.
So you didn't place a trade.
Drake candle just punch through your hypothetical.
Bro, TJR, did you not take the trade or did you, my nigga? Like, bro.
The stop loss helps me go back over things so I can reevaluate what I did wrong.
Bro, where's the trade you took then? How'd you lose 50K, bruh? What you do, about to take this one?
Gambling on a half position right here.
Okay, half position. How much is that? half of 50,000. This is not bad though. This entry's not bad. This was a little better. Not gonna lie.
That could have been a very horrible decision.
He thinking about it. Like, nah, should I take this shot? Oh, he took it. See me, I would have been that would have put me off. This fair value gap. And but if I'm like insanely bearish, then yeah, this is a good entry. And then it has to be like midnight price or some shit. It's at a premium, right, of this swing, so that's not bad.
half position gamble. Damn, we only got a half position on this one too. So technically down 0.5 R.
Oh, so wait,
Minus
so he did take that.
R. We just
Bro,
entered with the remaining. Okay, yeah.
Bro, I'm about to start watching TJR, bro. He about to piss me off.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Bro, he said that he didn't take it. It's not a position that he took. And then he just said he put 0.5 R on it. So which one did he take it or did he not take it?
The first trade that we lost half a position. This one we entered in with another half a position. So this is our total risk allocation for the day.
See, I wish traders like him, like big traders, like people who are like known on, like who got a big following on YouTube, you're an actual trader, like actually show your execution. Like don't just show like the open and positioning tool, because you don't really know when exactly, especially if you're not being like straight to the point, transparent. Like, yeah, I just entered here, right? I just entered here and my stop is here. I'm in this trade. Boom. Okay. That's more clear. But for you to just put a position tool and you're not saying that you're entering the trade, bro, it's like, come on, bro. Like, at least show the execution, show the P&L, show the tick, show something on the side of you entering that trade. You know what I mean? Especially when you're an influencer, a trading influencer, and you have a huge following. Fuck, y'all pocket watching me and all type of shit, bro. You're literally showing your shit on YouTube. You're trading on YouTube. You make money off of trading. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, bro.
Total risk allocation is on the market today. 5 minute came in and filled in this gap.
Like, yeah, bro, you gotta at least show it. Okay, at least he's telling you that it's on here, but I don't know. It's some, like, come on, bro. Like, I didn't know if he took this or if he didn't, if he took it or not. And at first, it sounded like he said he didn't take it. Now he said he did take it at 0.5, half of a risk or whatever, half a risk is. Like I said, bro, if you selling courses or you selling something, you selling a service, you selling something, bro, you gotta at least be a little bit more transparent. I'm not gonna lie.
Super. Honestly, like this was on some dumb shit. If anything, I should have done like I know I didn't actually place the trades, but looking back on it, it would have been smarter to do half of this actual position, so ideally like 0.25 R.
Bro, so is he taking the trades or is he not taking the trades? Bro, I'm about to turn this video off, bro. I'm about to turn it off. I'm about to turn this shit off, bro.
And then wait for some like real.
So he's saying like hypothetically, if did he enter the shit or did he not enter? Bro, I'm done watching this shit. I'm done watching this shit, bro.
It's not looking like it. It looks like we're gonna have to come all the way back above these highs. The fuck price wants to do a little bit better, but let's do a little overview real quick of
like, do I have listening problems?
what happened upon price opening. So we opened, we had a manipulation down, and then we had legs up. The reason why I flipped my bias from bullish initially up to these.
Bro, this nigga bro, I swear to God, he off a hangover right now and he's trying to trade, bro. TJR, you're off a hangover right now. You're trying to trade, bro. You're not even like super clear on what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, he's saying like he traded while hammered, which why would you even do that? Listen, y'all. This is not. I know like TJR is like a huge like boom influencer, and I fuck with the content he make, and you know what I'm saying. He's a big influencer, so respect to that. But like, bro, do not do this shit. Don't do this shit. Like, don't be influenced by this. Like him saying he traded while hammered. This is to get y'all to click and get y'all for entertainment, for you guys to see this shit. But this is not something you want to do or like be influenced. And young people watch him too. And young people are a little bit more retarded and degenerates, bro. Like I was young too, and when I started trading, I was young. I wasn't that young, but I was like 25. But like 18-year-olds, 19, 20, they be watching this nigga. And like whole time, they be influenced. Yeah, niggas get influenced. You know what I'm saying? So don't get influenced by this shit, bro. Like dead ass.
London session highs and these Asian session highs, which was the wrong idea. Okay, so keep in mind, I'm explaining my wrong thought process. Coming into market open, we had a higher time frame SMT divergence, which pretty much already took out the desired highs that would have completed the SMT divergence. From there, we get a lower time frame manipulation down, and then my eyes, honestly, getting pretty much in an invalidation range of a retracement. For me, most of the time, underneath the 79% extension, that's something low time frame. Like these are not hourly lows. These are not high time frame draws on liquidity. These are also relative equal highs that are session highs as well. So I probably should have came into the market thinking it's buy or nothing, and that's where I fucked up. Was deciding to flip my bias to the downside after midday, where I can give it notes on, or maybe I used some of the things that you guys can take, and you can be like, oh yeah, I remember he was talking about
bro,
that.
Bro, this shit done pissed me off, bro. That's
trade.
it, bro. I'm gonna call this video off, bro. If you guys enjoyed this weak ass, dumb ass video, bro, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the motherfucking channel. You know what I'm saying? I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm out.